Lon Jenkins here. I'm just going to show you a few holiday stripes I'm putting in with this Checkmate roller. So it's called Checkmate, like the chess game. You put the roller on the back of your lawnmower and you go in the direction of the sun or the opposite direction of the sun, depending on, how your house is situated if you can. And the way that sun reflects, it puts some nice stripes in there. Now, obviously, you want to have some nice, healthy grass to mow. So, you want to put down your nitrogens and your organics and whatnot, so you'll have a nice thick turf. But that's how, you get those nice, beautiful stripes in. Halloween is coming up, and you want to kind of have that. Now I'll show you here on the side of the house when you have like a little bit of a slope, it's, how you follow that same design. It's a little bit harder, sometimes the mower might want to go in a direction that you're not trying to go, but you can keep your line straight. And as you can see here, the stripes turned out nice. Doing a little bit of work for some moles. The moles are coming for the worms. The worms are coming from all of the organics that's in the yard. Sometimes I feel like there's more than one of me. When I'm out here in the lawn, we get stuff done. And as you can see, the stripes come in really nice on the side of the house. As soon as you put down your stripes and you go over your lawn, what happens? Leaves fall on the ground. The sun changes, so you may not have that deep, dark green lawn late in October and November, but it's still pretty green. But you will have leaves all over the place as soon as you get done. So, no big deal. Those of us who like being out in the yard, like to do the lawn stuff, there are no complaints about a nice mow in the fall time. So just sit back, relax, and watch me enjoy my mow.